In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix automatically following other accounts in Instagram. So first thing you need to know is that this could be happening because someone has logged into your account without your permission and is following people. So to check if someone has logged in, go to your profile and then click at the top right. Then you want to click Account Center. Over here you want to click Password and Security. Down here click where you are logged in and check, like, if you here you want to choose your Instagram account, and here you will check how many devices is logged in into your Instagram account. If you see any unknown devices, weird devices, simply log them out in this section. And after that, you definitely want to make sure to change your password and add two-step authentication to make sure your Instagram account never gets broken into again. So if you did both steps and you're still seeing some automatic following, someone like automatically following people, then it could be simply just a glitch in Instagram. And I recommend seeing if Instagram needs updating. So if you go to Play Store, search Instagram, so here Instagram, and just make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. And also go to your phone settings as well, system software update, and make sure your phone software is updated to the latest version as well. So click check for updates to make sure it's updated. And one last thing you can do is also uninstall and reinstall Instagram, and hopefully this should fix your issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.